one who founded KFC, Colonel Harlan Sanders. I started with a small restaurant and a secret recipe for fried chicken. Even though I began late, at the age of 65, my passion and family recipe built a global empire of fried chicken that everyone loves.
Have you ever wondered how KFC creates those famous crispy golden fried chicken pieces with tender, juicy meat inside? Today, we're going to take you through the entire process, from farm to the familiar KFC box you get in your hands. Let's get started and be prepared to get hungry. We begin our journey at the farm, where the chickens are raised in a clean, safe environment. They're fed well and given plenty of space to roam just like a chicken spot. These healthy birds are carefully cared for, because only the best chickens make it to the KFC kitchen. Next, the chickens are transported to our state-of-the-art KFC factory. This is where the magic happens. Every step of the process is monitored closely to ensure quality, from the moment the chickens arrive to when they're ready to be cooked. Once inside the factory, the first step is choosing the finest chicken. Each piece is inspected carefully. Only the freshest, safest, and highest quality chicken makes the cut. Kind of like how you carefully pick your fries, no one wants a soggy one. Now, it's time for the surgical part. The chicken is cut into perfectly sized pieces for cooking. We want each piece to be just right, not too big, not too small. It's a precise operation, but also, we like to have fun with it. Here comes the fun part: coating the chicken. The chicken is dipped into our secret KFC batter, creating that magical crispy coating. It's not just any batter, this is the secret to that crispy, golden crunch that everyone loves. The crispy armor is key. And there you have it, from farm to the famous KFC bucket. The process is all about care and quality. Each piece of chicken is cooked to perfection with a crispy golden crust and juicy inside. So, why wait? Head to your nearest KFC and taste the magic today.